Welcome to Pro Wheelhouse. Today, we dive into one of the most iconic names in Indian automotive history, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ. Once dubbed the King of Indian Roads, the Ambassador is back with a modern twist while retaining its classic roots. Let's explore how this retro-modern marvel is blending nostalgia with today's tech. Design, classic silhouette, modern details. The 2025 Ambassador 1800 ISZ stays true to its original DNA. That familiar rounded silhouette, wide stance, and imposing front grille immediately spark nostalgia. But this time, it's enhanced with LED DRLs, projector headlamps, and subtle chrome touches that bring a premium flair. The body is now more aerodynamic, and the build quality has significantly improved, offering a more refined presence on the road. Interior, heritage meets comfort. Inside, the Ambassador 1800 ISZ is a delightful surprise. The dashboard design echoes its heritage but comes equipped with a touchscreen infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, and soft-touch materials. Leatherette seats, ambient lighting, and ample rear legroom make the experience plush and roomy. The Ambassador was always known for comfort, and the 2025 version continues that legacy with better sound insulation and a refined cabin feel. Performance, the 1800 ISZ engine returns. Powering the new Ambassador is a refined version of the legendary 1800 ISZ engine, now BS 6 Phase 2 compliant. This 1.8-liter petrol unit delivers around 88 horsepower and 135 Nm of torque, paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox. While it's not built for speed, the car offers smooth acceleration and a torque-friendly performance ideal for city cruising and highway touring. Hindustan Motors has also improved suspension and braking to match modern expectations. Features and safety, a modern touch. Standard features include ABS with EBD, dual airbags, rear parking sensors, and a rear-view camera. The infotainment system supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, while the steering-mounted controls make it convenient for daily driving. Although it may not match the feature list of today's subcompacts, the Ambassador focuses on a balanced mix of heritage and necessity. Final verdict, a timeless revival. The 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ isn't just a car, it's an emotion reborn. With its blend of timeless design, improved engineering, and daily practicality, it targets enthusiasts who value character over trends. While it may not be for everyone, for those who grew up seeing Ambassadors rule the roads, this revival is nothing short of iconic. Stay tuned to Pro Wheelhouse for more auto legends and latest reviews.